Okay, short video just to demonstrate the Honda Intelligent GX390 engine driven petrol pressure washer. What's unique about this engine is, first of all, it has an automatic choke and it has automatic governor. So once left in idle for 5 seconds and there's no load on the engine, it goes into tick over. We'll demonstrate that more when we're using it in a minute. Let's just take a walk around. So, very heavy duty galvanized trolley, 13-inch air filled wheels, belt driven or industrial pump, outer bypass and loader valve. This is quick start valve just when you're starting her off, just to get rid of all the air. The suction hose pretty fast. I have a hose reel with 30 meters of 3/8 compact 2-wire hose, which is a real heavy duty hose. We'll have 4 quick release nozzles and a turbo nozzle, because the end of the lance is quick release, and on off switch. And okay, let's suction hose and return hose quick release, stainless steel coupling, so very easy to snap on and remove when you're putting it away. So that's your suction hose, and this is your return hose. Just put that into a barrel. Hose and lance on off. Okay, so that's pretty it. Nice little machine. So pressure can be controlled here in this knob. Anti-clockwise less pressure, clockwise is more pressure. That's it. That's your Honda Intelligent GX390 engine petrol pressure power washer. Okay, thanks for listening. Cheers.